decree and declare that henceforth, blah blah blah, Lord Patrick, I bid thee, Lord Patrick Gwenzi, Lord of the Manor. No one's bowing. What's going on?
There's Lord Patrick in the house.
Wow. This one's special. Oh wow.
Aww. My.
As opposed to we just where's the button?
Okay, where's the frame? Oh, an even bigger one.
These are gonna be in our gallery downstairs. Some family pictures are gonna get replaced. Check them out. Right.
Does this place actually exist?
You do need to sign.
Okay.
New title and
Somewhere in Cumbria.
you need to sign this, please. Your lordship, my lord.
Another black pen, please. Is that a black pen?
Oh my dude, before we get to it, my lord wants a pen.
Yeah.
Holiday! Can somebody get me a
Okay, let's get you.
That looks blue, is it?
Isn't that
Black. Signed in the presence of signed as a deed.
What colour will your
Quelle
flag
est la
be?
date aujourd'hui?
I don't speak French.
Oh, this has stopped writing.
Oh, before I stats, stats.
I hear the king swears at his pens when they stop writing. (2026) signed. Full name and address. Referred to. Date. Why would the date change? 2026. Signed again.
It's very official. Let all you witness.
Here Hey, hey.
Congratulations.
On a snowy day. You may want to turn the camera to the snow outside. As evidence
It's just a bit
of what is she called again? Got it.
She like open the window.
It's just a bit wet.
So you do it when the window is there. No. I know you mean the window is there.
Huh? Which one should I use?
It's not really snowing. Oh, I think a lot of the snow's just melting.
There's no snow on top of our house as well. It's just on top of the panels.
Which one should I use? Looking closely at them, this one is an eagle and it doesn't go too well with my culture. No, it's not an eagle. It's an owl. That's an owl, right? Yeah. So this is the English mofu. Antelope. This on the tail of my aircraft it shall
What
be.
is it?
What did you say?
Not an owl.
It's not an owl, what is it?
And I'm willing to say anything, but
Listen now, look at that beak.
Yeah, the beak.
let me show you a picture of an owl.
So what? Oh, its wings wide open.
These are owls.
Yeah, show an owl with its wings out.
Spread out. I mean,
That's an eagle.
there is an eagle on the Zen flag.
This certificate affirms the legal right to bear the honorific
Let's look at its
title
face.
Lord Patrick Gwenzi
Okay, yeah, from the face, because it doesn't have that thing.
Honda
Bald
Manor
eagle, it's a different type of eagle.
in
Such as a
conjunction with the confer of this title, a symbolic land dedication within the Hogan Manor Estate, Cumbria, England, has been granted to Lord Patrick Gwenzi. The assignment number is
What does that look like? So click on the images.
The face is different.
Is it?
Yeah. Owls have more like flat faces.
What bird is that?
Look at like a falcon or an eagle.
Falcon?
What?
I'm not sure that's an eagle because it has a crown. And they tend to go together in imagery, like royalty.
Falcon versus owl.
Yeah.
It's a falcon. Yeah, I think it's a falcon. It's more than that one.
Closer, but I do think it's an eagle. If you look at the depth of it, like owls tend to have like a defined face. It's like different coloration on the face too.